Welcome back to another affordable Amazon wig video. I know I haven't done one of these in a nice little minute, but I got a wig for you guys. So it's freshly washed and I try to let it air dry just a little bit, but I'm going to need to go ahead and hit it with the blow dryer. It's a Bodywave wig closure. I'm going to get into all the details after I finish styling this hair.
She wanna know me, I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company?
Okay, so I've got the wig installed and everything. What I'm thinking is I'm going to do like some beach waves where like the curl is on the majority of the hair, but then you keep the ends of the hair straight. So what I did, just to kind of prep before I took the hair off the mannequin, I did go over the ends of the hair with a straightener, just from like here on down. I just hit it so that it would be straight so that I didn't have to worry about trying to curl it and straighten it at the same time. I'm just gonna go over the top one last time with my hot comb. Of course, once I get done styling this hair, I will come back and tell you guys all the details about this wig.
You should side with me, stay solid one time. If you lie with me, just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves.
So while this side cools down, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera.
I know it's all up, everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all.
Okay, so the curls didn't quite turn out how I wanted them to, but that's okay. We'll get it right the next time. I do not know how to pronounce the name of this hair store on Amazon, but I will spell it out for you guys. It's Uesoels, but of course I will have it linked in my description box for you guys so you guys can go straight to it. Never heard of them before, but what really caught my attention when I was looking for a glueless wig on here was the fact that this one is super cheap and it has an average of 4-star reviews. I went through and read most of them and I was pretty confident enough to buy it. So shout out to those of you guys who actually take the time to leave a review once you buy something off of Amazon. It helps people like me out tremendously. Let me just read you guys the description, what I feel like is accurate and what I feel like is not accurate about this wig. This is a 26-inch Bodywave closure wig. It is a 6x4 lace closure wig. It was a little bit hard for me to kind of blend the lace in just a little bit. I think that this leans a little bit more towards being transparent lace. It says that this is 12A grade Brazilian hair. I wouldn't really get too caught up on that because I don't know, I feel like if that high of a grade wouldn't be this cheap. And speaking of cheap, you guys, this wig was $100, like $102.79. That is the current price for it. Seems a little bit too good to be true, but like I said, I seen those reviews and I feel like that was a really good deal. Now that is the 26-inch price, $100. So the longest length that this wig from this particular hair store on Amazon comes in is a 34-inch. So my 26-inch was $100 and this 34-inch is only $172. Like, it doesn't matter what length you get in this wig, it's gonna be under $200, and I feel like that is so cheap and almost like, okay, what's the catch? In the description it does mention that this is unprocessed virgin hair. Also, this wig comes in a natural black color and the cap size on it is a 22.5. Now I personally wear a 21.5, so this is an inch bigger than my true cap size, but it has an elastic band on it, so it doesn't fit me big or anything. It actually fits just right. So that's just the standard cap size that this comes in, which is a size medium. Now the density on it says that it's 200% density. To me, it just feels like a normal 180% density. It's not thin, but I don't feel like this is 200% density at all. It is true to length. Maybe if you get it in a longer length than I have got it in, you can let me know if it's just as full. Because, you know, the longer the length you get, the thinner the hair gets. But like I said, I only got a 26-inch and it's pretty full, but I don't feel like it's 200% density type of full. Now, the lace did come pre-cut already, and that was about it. I did have to go in and bleach my knots and pluck the hairline, which I wasn't expecting it to come pre-plucked or pre-bleached or anything like that. It's only $100, so yes, you will have to do a little 1-2 step with this wig. That's still not bad. If you guys are not familiar with how to bleach your knots, I do have a tutorial here that is already on my channel, so I will link it down below. It's super easy. Aside from this being like a potentially good everyday wig to wear, this would also be good for somebody that is like experimenting. I remember I used to do this back in the day, get really cheap wigs like this off AliExpress. If you want to experiment with like doing highlights or practice lifting hair or practice plucking, this would be a perfect wig to do that with, because even if you do mess it up, you didn't spend a whole lot of money on it. But then again, it is cheap, so I don't know if you would want to really bleach it or do anything. I don't know how well it would take to bleach or how well it would take to color. Now, when I bleached the knots, they bleached pretty normal, just like any other wig that I've gotten would. I can't say that it took a long time for them to bleach or that the knots are super huge or anything. Like, I don't really have an issue there. So yeah, fingers crossed. I can at least get maybe around like 3 months or more use out of this wig, but we shall see. So if you guys want the link, it will be in my description box. No, this video is not sponsored. I did get this from Amazon with my own money, and I'm just doing a review to show you guys what I found. And I will go ahead and tell you now, yes, this hair will curl, but it won't really do the best job at holding a curl. Now, I did curl this hair and then run around the house and do something for like 30 minutes and came back. I wanted to give both sides a chance to cool down, and they kind of fell, which I wasn't going for a tight curl anyway, but don't expect this to maybe do the best job at holding a curl is what I'm trying to say. So a little disclaimer, I don't have the highest expectations for this wig, but so far it's off to a pretty good start. Yes, there are a little bit of flyaway hairs. I haven't got any tangling with this hair. The shedding is very minimal. I don't feel like the hair is coming out in clumps. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. You guys can check back about a month from now. It'll be pinned in the top of the comment section. I will just go ahead and write out a little update of what I noticed, any changes, if the hair has gotten worser. Hopefully it's not though, fingers crossed. But if you guys are interested and you want to get it now, I will go ahead and link it down below. So if you guys are looking for more affordable, you know, or cheap or just decent quality wigs, good quality wigs from Amazon, make sure you check out the rest of the wigs that I have linked in my storefront, because I do have a few recommendations in there, and a lot of those that I actually have tried as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.